Hello folks, today we are going to be looking at something totally different. We are going to be looking at my analysis ngenda gikolera ku BTC UGX or Bitcoin ne Ugandan shillings. So what exactly is happening is that nagenza okulaba this chart and I'm like, okay, kankoleyo analysis entono. Let's try using our normal strategies as a price action. So here, let me go ahead and maximize the screen. So ngatetuna genda wala. This is not part of forex trading. This is Bitcoin, the Ugandan shilling. Okay, this is cryptocurrency, the Ugandan shilling, just like you see in the corner on your left hand side, mukona wagulu, tadeo BTC, waliwo BTC UGX 3D. Okay. So let's go ahead and do my analysis here. So wano ku chart, olaba bulungi, I have these lines here. Let me go ahead and change their colors to black and black. So what exactly are we doing? We are looking at the price range. Okay, Bitcoin, we're trading it when it comes to Ugandan currency. So we see at the moment tuliku 113 million Ugandan shillings right here in the corner. Okay, with this level price with equal 113 million Ugandan shillings. So if you want to see that very well, let me use something that I normally use. I'm using this arrow. So I want you to look at L over the low. Okay, that's L there on this candle. That is 113 million Ugandan shillings. Okay, now price action. As a price action trader, what am I looking at? BTC UGX. Ekindetedde okubeera too interested in this thing, it is the imbalances here. Now I'm using a 3 days chart. Okay, every chart that you see here represents 3 days. Nera bolaba wansi, that was December 24th. Bolaba wansi, December 24th, that candle. Then this other candle came in on a December 27th. So this really shows you that it's a 3 days candle, and if you want to prove that, just come here. You see the 3D one. So local and a weekly or on a daily. Now, why am I not trading on a daily, or why am I not doing the analysis on a daily? It's because daily chart ina akavuyo kanji. Okay, these candles are really not, they are not visible to me. The sizira. Okay, so I prefer a 3 days candlestick. Yes, all kumpa gundi analysis omulungi. So let's go ahead and I show you how I'm going to be analyzing this thing here. So first of all, relatively, okay, we have these lows here. Okay, you see these lows here, all these lows here. I will go ahead and mark those lows from here and okay. So we see price is trading below these lows. Now price came for the very first time. Now this is Bitcoin and Ugandan shillings. I'm trying to use our strategies as a price action, the institutional candles, the imbalance, Nevisigade, to see if we can get something out of this. Okay, so relatively equal lows. What do we have below these lows? Definitely we have what I would call liquidity. Okay, when it comes to the other normal things of ours. So I will have money there, I will have also money here, I will also have money there, all over. Okay, this is money below these lows, wabira was sent. So we see price trading between now between the coordinates between 121 million Ugandan shillings to 99 million Ugandan shillings. So I'm looking at this black candle here as my order block here, Bitcoin. Now, I don't know if cryptocurrency also respects these candles, okay, because si trading a Bitcoin, si trading a cryptocurrency, but ekindetedde okufuna interest eyokurecordinga this video, it is the imbalance being filled here. Okay, they came back for this imbalance. Now, how we trade below this low, we come here for imbalance. We come here. So price has been trying since when? Since 2021 September 28th. It has been trying to trade below how much? Below 121 million na bichaganye. So finally, when was this? This was May 4th, 2022. It managed to trade. Now I want you to look at here on hourly L over hourly low. I want you to look at that. I want you to have a, let me show you what you're going to look for. You see our hourly L. Now I want you to look at that price level on this candle Eyaja on May 4th, 2022. That is 113 million Ugandan shillings. Okay, 113 million Ugandan shillings. It traded below 121 million Ugandan shillings. So, ekyo kyandetedde okugamba nti okay, let me try and see if tusobola okola analysis on a BTC UGX. So, ekisookera ddala wano nga bulijjo, we all know that we have this imbalance that, okay, price came to fill this imbalance. Now, between price range, I want you to have your eyes in hourly L and H. Okay. Between, now we're going to look at the low. Between 204 million Ugandan shillings, 174 million Ugandan shillings, we had this price level, this candle that came at 184 million Ugandan shillings to fill this gap here. So this one gives me something really, okay, it gives me number, okay, so this imbalance came to be filled at 184 million Ugandan shillings between Ogambia, this candle's high, which is 199 million Ugandan shillings, this candle's low at 204 million Ugandan shillings. We got 184 million Ugandan shillings, sorry, 201 million Ugandan shillings. We are looking at the high, we're looking at the H. Okay, this candle's high came in at 201 million Ugandan shillings. Okay, so that aside, let's dominate for this same candle's low. Let's have that. Let's have that to lave. So this candle's low and this candle's high there. So it's okay to take a price range. So this candle's low came in at 184 million Ugandan shillings. Then this other candle came in at 180 million Ugandan shillings. This candle's high, okay? Candle's high traded to price level 180 million Ugandan shillings. Then candle's low traded at 184 million Ugandan shillings. So tuzemuna tufuna this week that came in at 184 million Ugandan shillings. That's the candle's high. So it came for this. Okay, 184 low, 184 high. So this is a perfect entry. Nadaranga tuliku imbalance, like you see here. So this is Bitcoin. This is not Forex. But I'm trying to see all these concepts. So if these concepts work now, when we come back to, when we come back to this concept here, relatively equal highs. So all these highs, okay, push price more imbalance, and we traded lower. So what am I looking at next? Next, I am looking at, okay, these lows here, okay, these lows being taken, ngenda gikozesanga order block. When it comes to Forex, I'll look at this as an order block, okay? So between now, this candle's low comes in at 100 million net, 100 million Ugandan shillings. Then the candle's high comes in at 116 million Ugandan shillings. So I'm looking at price range between these candles high and the candles low, which is between, let's extend here, between 100 million and 116 million Ugandan shillings. So if you want to buy, okay, your stop loss should be at this candles low, which is 100 million Ugandan shillings, and twina something like 99 million Ugandan shillings. So if I am to give you an entry, nienda kuwa at least 50% of this candle, okay, to see price trade between that. So if you're kicked out at 95 million Ugandan shillings over at 90 million Ugandan shillings, just manyati, price is going to trade lower and lower, maybe to these lows here, okay, or maybe this low. So with all that, we don't want to see Bitcoin trade below 100 million Ugandan shillings and 100, and we want to see it just not trade below 100 million Ugandan shillings. So okay, sagala kugira bingi, let me leave this thing alone. So which platform am I using? I am using Luno for my analysis. Now let me go ahead and delete all these things. I tell you more about Luno. So how does Luno work? Well, Luno also trading a Bitcoin if you're Ugandan using Luno, and I think you see interface this. Now this, they didn't pay me for this, but I'm just letting you know. I found out about Luno like 2 years ago, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I've been using this platform to send and receive Bitcoin from my brokers. Okay, jukira waliwo ba broker abatasobola kuwa, withdraws to a MasterCard or a Visa card or a bank card, but bakuwa gundi, bakuwa Bitcoin yoka. So you can use Luno, you can trust Luno. Waliwo Luno, waliwo ne yellow card. Okay, waliwo Luno ne yellow card. So you can trust yellow card. You see, I just withdrew 200,000 shillings like 2 minutes ago from yellow card. Okay, so you can trust this broker. You withdraw direct to your bank account. Okay, you withdraw direct to your bank account. Ugandan, if you're Ugandan, then for the other people, I don't know. And you see my portfolio balance, nyinako omutwalo gwe Uganda. And when it comes to Luno, I have something like 5,000 Ugandan shillings. Okay, because for me, every time I receive Bitcoin, every time I send and receive Bitcoin, zijako sente zange zonna. So this is the balance jenyina mu Luno. Then I also have a curtain mu gundi, this yellow card. So I will give you the links once about Luno and yellow card. But so far, that is the analysis jenina ku Bitcoin Ugandan shillings. Okay, I don't advise you to invest in your money yet until we start seeing a move up. Okay, a retracement katono wagulu. Okay, until we start seeing a retracement high, don't invest in your money. Now if you invest in money, put your stop loss below this low, which is at 100 million Ugandan shillings. If they trade below 100 million, then they will be coming for this low at how much? That low comes in at, this low here comes in at 96 million Ugandan shillings, or this low that comes in at 85 million Ugandan shillings. So let's stop this video from here. I will, if you want to know more about Luno, waliwo description, then waliwo link more description once. I will give you the links to go ahead and open your account. You transfer your Bitcoin. I only trust 2 people. Those are the people I use. Now, Tombuza, why I have 5,000 Ugandan shillings more Luno and 10,000 shillings here. Okay, don't ask me why. I'm just telling you I use these two, okay, platforms in Uganda.